Here we are today, October 18th, 2020, doing a tour for a client, 1326 Unit H. I thought it was this unit right here. I actually used to live in this unit up top, but this is the outside of the unit. Very nice area here. I believe I was like 12 years old. I grew up in that top one, which overlooks the bay over that way. So let's take a walk to Unit H. Nice little dog over here. Hey there, doggy. That's the unit up there I grew up in up top. But this is Unit H right here. Up for sale, $169. Over here is your access to the beach. Literally right on the beach. I've been through there many times as a child. New steps. And here is the front entrance. Living room area. Fireplace. This is a closet. Yep. And this is water heater. Old stereo there. Bar. Kenmore refrigerator. Nice wood floors. Bedroom number 1. Closet area. How you doing there? This is the shared bathroom. Okay. This is the master, I assume. Same type of closets, and this will conclude the video. This is looking down. But this will conclude the video. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. You got a little water view over there. You can see it right through here. But that will conclude the video. Until next time, if y'all like this video, hit thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button and tap on the notifications. Y'all have a good afternoon.